Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making ube cookies, and I'm decided to make these because my mom is Filipino and her dad is part Filipino, and she doesn't really make Filipino food, or we don't eat much of it, but one of her coworkers gave us these cookies, the ube cookies I'm going to be making, and we thought they were interesting, so I thought I would make them so we could eat more, because I think they tasted pretty good. So I have my ube. It's the sweet purple yam spread. That's what it is, yam. And it's all purple, and then there's like some ube extract or something, and then that's the jam. It looks all weird. And the first thing I'm going to do is, in my mixer, I'm going to take my eggs. I'm going to put them in here. Next I'm going to take my oil and put it in here. And then I'm going to take some salt and my sugar, and then I'm going to mix this all together first. Now that I mixed this together a little bit, in this bowl I have flour, baking soda, and baking powder, and I sifted all of this, and I'm just going to pour all of it into my mixing bowl. And it's a lot easier to pour it all in at once rather than when I'm mixing it together. That way I don't make a mess. So now I have this, and I'm going to mix this together. Also, I forgot to mention my apron, which my mom's aunt bought me. I think it's pretty cool. It has a little pocket here. So yeah, now I'm going to mix this together. Now that I have this together, it's starting to form like a dough, and then here I have my ube yam spread, and I'm just gonna pop this in here and mix this together first. And now I'm just going to carefully pour in the ube extract, and try not to get it on my hands because it'll stain. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's incorporated. And my dough is starting to come together nicely. I'm just scraping off all the sides now. Hopefully this doesn't stain the mixing bowl too much.
It won't stain it.
Oops. There we go. I'm just gonna mix this together some more. Now it looks pretty much done. There is a few little spots here and there, but it'll be okay. And now I'm going to refrigerate my dough for 2 hours. So in this bowl I have my finished dough, and over here I have balls of the dough that I scooped out with the cookie scooper. And in here I have my bowl of powdered sugar. And first I'm going to take the dough and I'm going to roll it into a ball like this. And then I'm going to dip it in my powdered sugar. And then I'm going to put it over here. Now I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 for about 14 minutes. So here are the finished cookies. Here's this batch on this plate, and then these ones, which are still cooling down, and these ones over here that are cooled down. And I think they turned out pretty good. I'm gonna take one of the cookies, I'm gonna put it on this plate, and then I'm gonna break it open. They look exactly how the ones that were sent to us looked. All the powdered sugar is like everywhere though, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna taste it. So I think they tasted pretty interesting. I think they tasted good. I don't know if they tasted better than the ones that I got from, it was like a Filipino bakery. I think maybe they do taste a little bit better because they're warm rather than how they were from the ones from the bakery. And they were probably made differently anyway, so they're all gonna taste different. Depends on probably the amount of the ube paste or whatever you put in. I don't know if I'd make these again. I thought they tasted pretty interesting, but it's not like a lot of flavor. And I think if I haven't tried the cookie just by itself, only with the powdered sugar. I think it'd be hard to taste it just by itself. Let's see. Yeah, because just by itself it tastes kind of plain, but then I guess the powdered sugar adds more flavor to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.